Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this THINKTOOL Network video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the THINKTOOL Mini, which I will put a link to in the description below this video. Right now we're actually in a Mini. It's a Mini Countryman, and we have the check engine light showing on the dashboard there. So this tool is a handheld tool. As you can see here, there's a dongle which goes in here. That is currently plugged into the diagnostic port in the vehicle, and that is what is going to give us the connection to the vehicle between the vehicle and this particular tool. So we're going to click on to turn it on. We're going to click on to diagnose, and we're going to find our manufacturer, which is Mini, and see if it will. Oh, clicked the wrong one. It's quite unforgiving if you press the wrong option. There are lots of, probably easier if we just click on European, then it might give us Mini. There we go. Okay, so it's telling us the firmware is updating. Not really ideal when you're trying to make a video, but there we go. Hopefully it'll happen quite quickly. Feel free to forward this video a few seconds until it gets to 100%. Right, okay, so installed correctly. Now let's see if we can connect to the vehicle and get this fault erased. What I'm going to say is I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones on the market, unfortunately, so making sure you click the link in the description below this video will ensure that you get a genuine and official product. So we're going to automatically search, which basically means it's going to find the vehicle automatically, which it has found. I'm going to click on to next, and we're going to go to system selection, which means you can select an individual system instead of the tool selecting all of the systems and scanning all of the vehicle, which does take a bit longer. So we should be able to get into the drive, which is the engine control module, communicating. So just a little bit of information about the ECU. We'll go to read fault code. So it's giving us 102613. That is a manufacturer specific fault code, and the official information is hot film air mass meter signal short circuit to B+. So in short, that means there's a problem with the MAF. Now we'd already done this, we'd already found these fault codes, and we already knew that there was a problem with the mass airflow sensor, which we have actually put in. Which is why it says intermittent here. Because we've fixed the fault. If it was saying that, if we hadn't fixed the fault, that would say permanent. But because it's saying intermittent, it's like it's thinking, hang on, there was a fault, now there's not a fault, so it changed it to intermittent. But in any case, what we need to do is just simply turn off the check engine light, and we do that by letting the ECU know that we've put a new part in. So we click no to that, and to do that we just click on to clear fault code. Now with these minis, I find the setup of the vehicle is very important as to whether you can actually erase the code or not. So I'm going to try it with the way the vehicle is right now. So it's temporarily unable to perform the reset. Okay. There we go, it has done it. Processing wait. Sometimes the reason I'm a bit unsure is sometimes the tool actually requires the vehicle to be, well, the engine's running now, so it requires the engine to be off but the ignition to be on, if that makes sense. But it's turned the engine light off, but now it says processing, so I don't know if it's just going to take an extra few seconds to confirm that the reset has been done. Of course, there we go. Clear codes, clear fault code completed. So there we go, and the check engine light has gone as well. So that's all thanks to this THINKTOOL Mini, which, as I say, I will put in the link to in the description below this video. This is a genuine product, and if you want to make sure you do get a genuine product, then, as I say, just use the links in the description below this video. It comes up with all sorts of strange noises when you back out of the menu systems, but that's perfectly normal. Almost sounds like an 80s computer game at times. Maybe the manufacturers could have thought a little bit differently about that. That would be one of the criticisms I have, but it doesn't take anything away from the way the tool actually performs and works. Okay, thanks for watching. Link in the description, and yep, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.